Hello all, welcome this reading video tutorial. So in this video I will share some tips that how you can solve this uh, passage, and this passage is taken from Cambridge 16, the recent Cambridge book, and the test one and the reading passage one. And in the reading passage one there are 13 questions, and this passage is all about why we need to protect polar bears. So after reading the title, and we have to understand the contents, what about they explained all the phases. So after that immediately we check the question type. Sorry. And there are two types of questions. One is true false not given, and another one is fill in the gaps. So in this video I only show you how you can solve these kinds of questions very quickly, and it is the very easiest part of the reading test. So at first we have to read this sentence at least 2 times. So here it said choose one word only from the phrases for each answer and write your answer in boxes 8 to 13 on your answer sheet. So we have to choose only one word for 8 to 13 questions. So after that we read this heading, what this uh, questions is about. So it's all about reasons why polar bears should be protected. So after reading this heading, immediately we will find out the keywords from the questions. So here the keywords is people, and bears is not a keyword because this whole passage is all about bears. So you will find bears like in every passage or every paragraph. You will find the bear, so you can avoid this word. And another word is intelligent. Yeah, so people and unintelligent is the keyword for the first questions. And my first tips is the answer must be after the word and. So first we have to find the keyword people and unintelligent. Okay, so let's scanning. Don't try to read every word in a sentence. So just scan, find out the people and the keyword unintelligent. Okay, this passage there is no word that related to people and unintelligent, so we have to leave this passage. Yeah, here it mentions humans, but there is no word is related to intelligent or unintelligent, so we have to leave it. Okay, there is no keyword in this paragraph. Okay, there is also no keyword in this paragraph, so we have to leave it. Yeah, they mention is human here, but there is no keyword related to intelligent or unintelligent or something else. Yeah, okay, we find it here. The humanity is a keyword and intelligent is a keyword, and yeah, protect animals, so it's our topic sentence. So our answer must becomes from this passage. So read very intelligently or attentively after finding the keyword. Okay, is stupid, fine, so is perceived as stupid. Okay, is stupid. So when we actually find out our keyword, then again we read the questions. So it says people think of bears as unintelligent, they used as stupid. So unintelligent, they use the synonyms as stupid. So our answer must be after that, and they use the and as stupid. And yeah, so they use the and. I told you that the answer must be after the and, as stupid, and in many cases violent. Yeah, so our answer is violent. So since the answer should be one word, so in and many cases is not it not be considered as an answer. So the answer should be the violent, and the violent comes after the word and. Okay, so I think you will get my point, how I can easily understand the answer. Fine. Then our next questions. Yeah, you have to find out the keyword at first. So this is the main keyword in this sentence. Tenoziju and bronze. Yeah, and also knockdown. Yeah, maybe they use the paraphrase of this word, and bronze energy. Okay, fine. So and the answer must be comes in sequentially. Yeah, yeah, so this is the main keyword. Tenoziju, observed to making use of, has been observed. Yeah, has been observed making use of a tool. Okay, now we read the questions. So the question is said, aware has been using. So they use here present perfect continuous tense, and using a bronze as a. And my second tips is, if you see an article before the gap, and your answer must becomes after the article. Okay, so now again we read the passage. Yeah, so they also here used has been making. Yeah, has even been observed making use of a tool. Yeah, so tool is the answer, right? And please notice that they use an article before the tool, and in the questions they also use an article, yeah, an article before the gap. So here the answer is tool, and this allowed him to knock down some knock down, yeah, knock down allowed their bronze on multiple. Dislodge is a synonyms of knock down, and the answer must be after this word knock down. Some means a piece of, some means a piece of meat. So this is the answer. So dislodge means knock down some meat. So a piece of meat, so the answer should be meat. Yeah, so here the answer should be meat. In the platform, so here platform is the keyword, where so here we also find an article that so we maybe get the answer after this article was located. Yeah, located is a keyword, and method is a keyword. So method, platform, located. Okay, let's search here. Standing on, yeah, so this is the keyword platform, 2 hour meters high, and the platform they used, sometimes the answer comes from the keyword we found in the passage. So sometimes the answer comes before the keyword. So reaching a platform where dash was located. So we found here the platform, and there is an article A, and then the answer must be a photographer that is standing on a platform. Attempt to get a photographer standing on a platform, platform where a photographer was located, or worked out on my platform where a photographer. Yeah, the answer must be the photographer. Okay, the next question is, polar bears have displayed behavior such as conscious manipulation of objects and activities similar to a similar is a keyword manipulation and displayed. Okay, manipulation and displayed. Yeah, there is a word manipulation. Yeah, manipulation. Observed barefooting, then appeared. Yeah, appeared means displayed. Appeared. They used the word displayed behavior, such as conscious manipulation of object and activities similar to a. So they also used article here similar to a with similar to a. So yeah, this is the article and the answer. So this is manipulation and appeared displayed to be a game. So the answer must be in a game. So because there is an article and object files, then knocking them over in what appeared to be a game. Objects and activities similar to a game. Fine. And then they may make movements is the keyword. Movement suggesting disappointed. Yeah, disappointed. Movement disappointed. Yeah, movement disappointed. Emotions evidence on eyes and snow, seemingly out of frustration when they have just missed out to a kill on a kill. Okay, so another tips is, if you see these kinds of sign between or in a side of a word, so most of the case the answer must be between these words or the word after this sign or before this sign. So seemingly out of frustration. So here the answer should be frustration, because seemingly and out of is not considered as an answer. So the frustration must be an answer in this case. So they make movement suggesting frustration if disappointed. Yeah, it makes sense when hunting. So that's all from my side, and I will try to solve the next type of questions like true false not given in my second video. So best of luck.